Ah, the kitchen! A place where culinary dreams come true and nightmares are born? Ever heard the one about the amateur chef who tried to flambe for the first time? Let's just say he didn't need to turn the heating on that winter. Welcome to the world of chaotic cuisine, where ingredients collide, and the only rule is there are no rules. Well, except for one. Never, under any circumstances, put a frozen pizza in the toaster. Trust me, it doesn't end well. Our journey begins with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a tablespoon of confusion. Imagine being the world's most indecisive chef. One minute you're whipping up a delicate souffle, the next you're elbow deep in barbecue sauce. It's like a culinary roller coaster, only with more tears and burnt toast. Now picture this, a pot of boiling pasta bubbling away like a mini Vesuvius. You turn your back for one moment and whoosh, it's an impromptu foam party. Only instead of foam, it's starchy water and regret. But fear not. For every kitchen disaster, there's a silver lining. Like the time you accidentally added chili powder instead of cinnamon to your apple pie. Sure, it wasn't the sweet treat you'd envisioned, but hey, it cleared your sinuses right up. And let's not forget the time the blender decided to stage a coup. One moment you're making a smoothie, the next you're recreating a scene from a horror movie. But on the bright side, you've finally figured out how to get those pesky fruit stains off the ceiling. As we navigate this gastronomic gauntlet, remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey and the mess. Definitely the mess. And so we reach the end of our chaotic culinary adventure. What have we learned? Well, for starters, never trust a recipe that includes the words easy and quick. And secondly, the smoke alarm is not a cooking timer. To summarize our recipe, take equal parts chaos and confusion, add a dash of disaster, a sprinkle of surprise, and garnish with a generous helping of hilarity. Stir well, and voila, you have the messiest recipe on earth. Remember, in the kitchen, as in life, it's okay to make mistakes. Just make sure you have a fire extinguisher handy and maybe a takeout menu, just in case.